The B6 dares to rewrite the rules of SUV design, with an edgy, athletic silhouette, a sporty profile, sculpted surfaces, and aerodynamic features signal performance and agility. Hidden until LED lighting adds drama, while short overhangs and large wheels emphasize its commanding stance. Step inside, and you'll find a race-ready cockpit featuring twin-screen displays, aircraft-inspired controls, and a floating center console that maximizes cabin space. Eco-conscious materials, including recycled PET fabrics, underline Mahindra's sustainability pledge, while ample storage options ensure practicality meets style. Hardcore design. Mahindra's electric origin SUVs embody the hardcore design philosophy, crafting an emotional bond with their owners through bold innovation and modern luxury. With commanding exteriors and thoughtfully curated interiors, the B6 and ZEV9e set new benchmarks in aesthetics and functionality. The B6 flaunts edgy, athletic silhouette and race-inspired agility, whereas the ZEV9e exudes sophistication with its suave SUV coupe design, blending indulgent luxury with dynamic performance. In Glow Electric Origin Architecture certified range of 682 kilometers, MIDC-P1-P2, for B6 and 656 kilometers, MIDC-P1 plus P2, for ZEV9e with 79 kWh advanced LFP battery pack. Lifetime battery warranty for both 79 kWh and 59 kWh battery packs. Valid for first registered owners only and applicable only on private registration. In case of ownership change, warranty on high-voltage battery will be 10 years or 200,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier from the first ever date of delivery of the vehicle. 3-in-1 integrated powertrain delivering up to 210 kilowatts power acceleration of 0-100 kilometers per hour and 6.7s for B6 and 6.8s for ZEV9e fast charging. 5-link rear independent suspension with intelligent semi-active dampers. Brake-by-wire technology with integrated electronic booster. IEB, high-power steering with variable gear ratio, VGR, that enables tight TCD of 10 meters. Maya, Mahindra Artificial Intelligence Architecture, the most powerful mind in the automotive world. Software-defined vehicle, built on next-gen domain architecture with Ethernet backbone. 220 kDm IPS, 51 tops with over 80 BN plus transistors and 130 plus million lines of code. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 fastest chipset in automotive-grade. 24GB RAM, 128GB storage, and an ultra-fast 6th-generation Adreno GPU for cockpit domain. Wi-Fi 6.0, Bluetooth 5.2, and Quectel 5G enabling connectivity and real-time updates. ADAS L2 Plus with Mobileye IQ TM6 chip with 2GB RAM and 8MP cameras. 60 plus apps for music, entertainment, shopping and productivity. Over-the-air updates ensure the B6 and ZEV9e evolve and stay ahead of the curve. Hero features wide cinema scope in ZEV9e, 331.24 cm screens, creating an immersive 110.08 cm wide spectacle. Race-ready digital cockpit and B6 Vision, augmented reality heads-up display, HUD, infinity roof and light-up sonic studio experience by Mahindra. 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system with Dolby Atmos. Live your mood. Preset themes, calm, cozy and club, with signature sonic tunes curated by A. Rahman. Custom driver seat, ambient light and climate control adjustments. Multi-drive modes, range, everyday and race. ADAS Level 2+, equipped with 5 radars and 1 vision camera with ability to detect animal, pedestrian, barricades and different types of vehicles' identity. The driver and occupant monitoring system, DOMS, to track driver fatigue. This also doubles as selfie camera for clicking pictures and for video calls. Secure 360, detects and records surroundings with 360-degree camera, and inside with in-cabin camera and stores in the vehicle. It also provides live view via mobile app. Auto Park, features 12 ultrasonic sensors enabling perpendicular, angular and parallel parking along with reverse assist and remote controlled option.